what we're doing here, and this will happen often on the job site for maybe jobs with larger crews, is you want to start in the middle. We started in the middle of this room because it's the only way to guarantee that it's square and straight. And so we started in the middle, and then we're going to staple off both directions. But since you can only staple into the groove of the board, you have to flip it around. And so what we did is, if you look at these boards over here, they have the groove going that way. These boards have the groove going this way. And where I'm standing right here, we left the tongue on this board and took the tongue off of this board. So if you can envision, this board is laid down like that with the tongue still on it. And then we modified another board and took the tongue completely off. So then it could fit flush against the plank all the way down. And so there's a couple ways to adhere the plank. If you're gluing down, then you just are gonna have it glued and then you can weight it. If you're using an underlayment like this, you can cut some holes in the underlayment and put some adhesive periodically. What we also did here is we just put some top pin nails in it, every, looks like 10 to 12 inches. And that just ensures that both lay flat. Because since they're really not connected, you might get one board raised above the other board, and that's not gonna happen now since both of these are completely level because one's been pin nailed. And it's just an easy way to really work off of the floor in both directions when you're stapling.